Everlasting Yahuah, I hear you speaking to Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Wisdom cries out, how long will you be double-minded? Wisdom is crying out to Baton Rouge. Thunderstorm, Yahuah is crying out to Baton Rouge. How long will you be double-minded? How long will you be of two opinions? If Yahuah is Elohim, then serve Yahuah. But if those gods of Mardi Gras, if they be your Elohim, then serve those gods of Mardi Gras. Thunderstorm Yahuah, Ahaya Ashahaya, you are a force to be reckoned with. Thank you for being my strength like no other, my peace like no other, my freedom like no other, my victory like no other on this Juneteenth, Hallelujah Thursday. Thunderstorm Yahuah, you are a force to be reckoned with. The clouds are the dust of your feet. Look at this, the lightning. You are the fountain of living water. I am in awe of you, Heavenly Father. For the earth, the wind, the fire, and the water has to obey your voice. My name is CRISHAYAH'EL. This is the Hallelujah Network. #144,000.